Happy holidays, everyone. We're starting off with this video straight from the front door. I have to move the tree because guess what? Our new door has arrived and the installers are about to install our custom iron door. We designed this door ourselves and I'm very happy with the design. So they went ahead and removed our old door. It had been giving us issues, and before we made any more repairs to it, paint, and even the threshold, we decided to just go ahead and pull the plug on our new door. So now I'm going to move the tree right back where it was so we can get on with decorating the space. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome, 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 and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So this is the night before we decorated the dining room area. I'm just inspecting the tree to see if there were any ornaments or gift boxes that may have shifted, and I just moved them right back in place. So here we are getting ready to decorate the dining area, and I'm starting off with just a simple garland, nothing fancy about it, just really simple because I'm going to do a little bit more on the dining room table, so I don't want to go overboard. And I started out with making sure that my fairy lights are working. As I mentioned before, I always take my batteries out and store them in my gift box in the attic. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these floral picks. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. I'll show you the rest of the ones that I'll be using in this garland as well. And before I go any further, I want to share with you some of the picks that I chose to use in the garland that will be going here as well as on the table. So I'm going to be using this pick on the garland for the side table and this one on the garland for the table. These are faceted diamond picks, and this one is just a simple berry pick in the color champagne, and here are all of them kind of styled together just to give you an idea of how all of those look together. So now I'm just going to add the clear faceted picks to this garland just to give it a little bit more of the bling or diamond look that's going to be already on the garland or the teardrop garlands that are going on the dining table. Now I'm just adding these really beautiful ornament picks. They are a little bit smaller than the larger one. I also put some larger ones in my tree in the living room area, and I'm just going to put a few in this garland. Going to add these beautiful gift boxes to the side table. I've had these forever. I picked them up from TJ Maxx. I believe they have more of that crystal and pearl look to it. And this reindeer, I picked it up from Aldi's. It was $29.95. It was that similar dupe to the Pottery Barn one that cost $80. Just going to add one more of these faceted crystal picks to this garland because there was an opening that I thought would be covered. So I just want to make sure that the crystals go all the way across. This beautiful Christmas runner is perfect for my dining table. It's a cream color with embedded gold, and I'm just going to use 2 teardrop garlands and put them together to create a really long garland effect. These are some really beautiful teardrop garlands that I've had forever. They have a lot of crystal as well as pine cones going through them, and I'm just not going to hang them this year. I decided to use it on my table. Peace, joy, and Noel. I picked these beautiful plaques up from Hobby Lobby last year, and I absolutely love them. They were part of a haul I shared last year, and these beautiful pearl looking trees, I got these from Inspired Me Home last year, and they're absolutely beautiful. I think they marry really well with the pearl gift boxes on my side table. And of course, I shared in the last haul these 2 reindeers on my table. Those were new purchases from Home Goods. And I've already had the candles and the candle holders. The candles are battery operated. Now I'm just adding my dinnerware. All of my dinnerware has been picked up throughout the years from TJ Maxx, Z Gallery, and Home Goods. So I don't have links for any of these, but I absolutely love all of them. And we're going with a gold and silver theme. And there's nothing really fancy about my stemware. These were purchased from Target several years ago, and they came in like a storage box, and I just pull them out for holidays and parties. Shared these napkin rings before. I purchased them last year from Ballard Designs, and I still love them. Perfect timing for Christmas, all about the crowns. I just added this greenery as well as a couple of bells to these sconces I've had forever. I purchased these from Z Gallery. They are still a star in everyone's home. I hadn't really positioned my tree really where I wanted it to go, but I do want to add these holly picks. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale, so they were 60% off still, and they weren't out when I picked up all of my other items. So I think I purchased 5 of these, and I'm just going to add them to the tree just to give it a little bit more flavor. And here is the finished look of this space. My door really helped set this area off. I really feel a lot secure now, and I love the fact that the bevel glass on the door makes it where nobody can see in at night. So I no longer have to put a curtain over my door, you guys. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't
smiling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like these types of videos and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And I'm so excited to share the rest of my home for the holidays with you guys. So be on the lookout for more upcoming videos, and I also have a giveaway in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.